big fire. Joe looks like a little ant down there. That's a big fire. Yeah. Woo! Weenie roast. Well, tonight's steak, but we're going to burn tomorrow, so it'll be going. Oh, I heard the owl. It'll be going tomorrow, so. Hear the owl? Hear the owl? I'm looking down from our deck up above. Hear the owl?
Yeah.
Nice.
Just hauling big sticks right now. I got everything on this side of the log, so it's not so bad.
So Joe's cleaning up because we had this huge, like 100-foot tree. You can see it lying there. And it was cut by Thomas a couple days ago. That'll be our firewood. There's the owl. Man, that fire's burning. Burn, baby, burn.
Hot fire.
Yeah.
Hot. It's more like clean up all the small stuff.
What's nice now, when that tree fell, it actually knocked some branches. So now, it's hard to see, but right behind where the tree fell there's a pedicites. There's a stream. So we can actually see the pedicites now. And there's bamboo. And there is a stream there. And it runs along the property. And so, you can't hear it now, but actually it makes the creek sounds more noticeable from up here. So it opened it up where it knocks some branches down so we can actually hear it. It's really nice.